Lauterbrunnen is so beautiful. We're just in a little park right here by the train station. This is like walking into a storybook, right? That's the one, babe. What do you think about that waterfall, baby?
I think it's spectacular.
You think so?
Yeah.
That's the fall. That one is Niagara.
That's how they automatically
Sir,
thought that was
what are you eating this, sir?
ribeye.
The ribeye. And what are you eating this?
Salad.
Ribeye and salad. Oh my goodness gracious. Ribeye and salad.
Josh, didn't I say stop doing that?
Oh my bad, it was an accident.
Are you serious, bro?
I'm sorry,
No,
sir.
it
It was
wasn't
an accident.
Dad, it wasn't an accident. He did it on
It
purpose.
was an accident.
Joshua,
It was an accident. I'm sorry.
you don't listen, right?
It was an accident. Try to hit me.
Wow, look at it. That's beautiful. Staubbach Fall. Staubbach Fall. Josh, which fall is this?
I don't know.
Staubbach Fall. Staubbach. See, the Staubbach. This is like Staubbach. You know what Staubbach mean in English?
No.
Kaichor. Trish, you know which fall is this? You know what Staubbach means in English? Kaichor. Yeah? Yeah, it means Kaichor fall. Yeah. That's what Staubbach means. Was translated, you see.
Yeah.
Leah, hold this. Leah, hold it.
Somebody hiked up there.
What village is that over there? Lauterbrunnen?
Can we go in? Don't regret it. Can we go?
Help her do what?
What happens if you can't make it up the stairs?
It's a lot of stairs.
Don't worry, it's old age. Age catching up to you. Don't worry, the legs. No, first is gonna be the legs, don't worry. Believe me, I know the feelings.
You see Grandpa? He's been on my side. This makes me very happy, Dad. I'm very glad that we get to live over there.
Viste el tren? You see the train, huh? I think that's one of the trains we gotta take tomorrow.
Viste que si hay carretero hasta ese pueblo.
Guys, we are in the falls. Literally in the falls. The fall right here. And we are going all the way up. This is a full hike.
There, put this in your pocket. You have a pocket. I know. Hold it.
I know, but I thought it was raining over there.
I don't want to get wet.
We are in the waterfall, guys. It's not that it's raining, it's just the waterfall.
What did you do?
That's the end. What's up, buddy?
Hi.
What do you think of being in the fall? Wow, guys, it's not raining. We're just behind the waterfall, guys. Where is it? Oh boy.
Hold this for that.
All that for this?
Hold that for this. Go, go.
Go, Josh, go. Oh boy.
What do you think, Josh?
It's so cool.
Guys, we are
Cool, right?
at the back of the fall. What's up, Em?
Hi.
What do you think about the fall?
I love it.
Yeah? What do you think about the fall?
Yay!
You falling? And you, Josh?
It's cool.
Amazing.
What's up? Sarah, you like it?
Yeah, this is so cool.
So we at the end of the fall. This is the fall right here, the end of it. And here's where we are. In the waterfall. So we were standing right there, guys. That's where we took our picture. And look where we at right now, in the fall. Beautiful. Guys, now let's do the switcheroo.
What's the switcheroo?
Now let Uncle Mike and them over. So beautiful, guys. Look what's going on underneath there. So we're doing the switcheroo now. Trish, you gotta drink some of the water from the fall. Catch it, you gotta catch it. Catch it, let me see, Josh. No, you gotta catch it like the stream with your mouth, like that stream right there. Ah, just like that, you see? That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Leah is the bravest baby I see, but. Oh man, you guys be careful. This thing is slippery.
It's a river. Look.
Yeah. The waterfall running in here too, guys. But...
No. Sarah, it's actually bad.
This is real hiking over here.
Sarah, this is actually bad.
Oh man. Well, this is the real fall right here. Look. You guys see how it's falling? Here's where it's coming down from. Look, another waterfall coming over here. Oh boy, look at this. It's coming, it's coming. It's coming, it's coming. Guys, this is the center of the fall. You guys are in the center of Lauterbrunnen. Babe, you inside Kaichor Fall? Huh? Where's there? Wow, look at that. It's coming down, guys. What's up? What's up, Uncle Mike? What's up? How does it feel to be inside Kaichor Fall?
Amazing.
Oh boy.
What?
You okay, baby?
Yeah, I'm not going to.
You need help? You want me to go in the front?
No, it's raining.
It rain?
I don't want to get wet.
Alright, let me go. You rather go here to this fall? No, what? Staubbach Fall. What's Staubbach Fall? Guys, come. It's beautiful. Lauterbrunnen. Oh, look at it. Garden. Explore the beautiful architecture of Lauterbrunnen. Look, the train coming.
Cash. You want anything to drink?
No, baby, I'm good, thank you.
Thank you.
So how you like Switzerland?
I love Switzerland. I love Switzerland.
So what do you think about Lauterbrunnen now?
I think it's beautiful. It's really beautiful.
How you was a little bit disappointed earlier?
Because I thought the food sucks.
Guys, it's just that we're not used to this type of food. So,
Yeah.
you know, just make sure, you know, you keep an open mind. Because, you know, our food is mostly spicy and we add a lot of flavor, a lot of spices to it. So, you guys have a little patience with the people from Switzerland. Especially with the food.
Especially our Caribbean people.
Yeah, just take it easy. Take it easy. I only want curry, everything. Everything gotta be curry.
Good. I like curry girl.
Next time I'll call you curry girl. The
We
curry
need to
girl.
have a Caribbean restaurant here.
The curry girl
When
from
I
Orlando.
when I put in the GPS Caribbean restaurant, Cuban restaurant coming up. So I need to put. I don't know.
So guys, if anybody want to open a roti shop in Switzerland, let
Come
us
open
know.
a roti shop. A Trini or Guyanese, don't matter.
Yeah, a Guyanese chicken curry shop.
It don't matter. I'll eat it. I love chicken curry.
Guys, this view is live right here. This is how this place looks.
Encontra um hambúrguer, dia 14, lá na Inglaterra é 4,6.